The one-term movement is unstoppable, and there is nothing the president can do. He can kill these leaders, he can abduct them, he can torture them, but he cannot do that to all the people of Kenya. So I want to urge members of parliament and senators and others not to give up. Nobody can die from morning to evening. You can only die once. And the tree of liberation will be watered by blood. The Honorable George Koimburi is a hero of the Kenyan people. What he has undergone, the torture, the pain he is in, the anguish to his family members is not in vain. This liberation will take place, it will happen. And let me conclude by asking the Kenyan people not to be intimidated. Kenya is a constitutional democracy. They are entitled to cast their vote the way they want. And William Ruto cannot force the people of Kenya to elect him. And there is nothing he can do about it.